Welcome back once again. So today we are looking at this 5 exponent t is equal to t exponent 625. We are to solve for t. Okay, so let's start by solving this. So here 5 exponent t is equal to t exponent 2 exponent 625. Please, if you are new to our channel, kindly subscribe so that we are enjoying more triple questions together. Now, with this, let us take 1 on t to both exponents. Okay, so for f exponent t, to bracket 1 over t, which is equal to t 625 bracket 1 over t. Now, can we write this as 5 exponent t multiplied by 1 on t, which is equal to t exponent 625 multiplied by 1 on t. So t will cancel t here, leaving 5 exponent 1, which is equal to t exponent 625 on t. Like this. Now, with this, let us again multiply both exponents by 1 on 625. So we're going to get 5 exponent 1 on 625, which is equal to t exponent 625 on t multiplied by 1 on 625. Okay. Now this, we are going to get 5 exponent 1 on 625, which is equal to t exponent 625 on t multiplied by 1 over 625. Now, you can see that 625, we can see 625 here, leaving 5 exponent 1 on 625 is equal to t exponent 1 on t. Okay, so now our equation is t exponent 1 on t, which is equal to 5 exponent 1 on 625. Okay, now we know that 5 over 5 will be the same as 1. So we are going to express t exponent 1 on t is equal to 5 exponent 5 over 5 multiplied by 1 over 625. So we are going to get t exponent 1 on t is equal to this one. We can say that 5 exponent 5, okay, multiplied by 1 on 5 multiplied by 625. Okay, so t exponent 1 on t is equal to this. You can rewrite as 5 exponent 5 into brackets 1 on 5 times 625. We are getting 3125. Okay, now we need to simplify this. So 5 exponent 5 is the same as 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5, we are getting 125. 125 times 5 is 625. 625 times 5 is 3125. Okay, so now you can say that our t exponent 1 on t is equal to 5 exponent 5 is now 3125 exponent 1 over 3125. Okay, so our t exponent 1 on t is equal to 3125 exponent 1 on 3125. By comparing terms, our t is equal to 3125. Okay, so this is our answer for the t. Now, let's verify to know if it satisfies the equation. Okay, if it satisfies the equation, so we have 5 exponent t is equal to t exponent 625. Now our t is 315, so 5 exponent 3125, is it equal to t exponent 625? 5 exponent 3125 is equal to, now don't forget that our t is 3125, so let's replace it. So 3125 is 0.625 like this. Now 5 exponent 3125, is it equal to exponent 3125? Is it equal to this? We can express that 5 exponent 5 times 625 like this. So 5 exponent 3125 is equal to 5 times 625 is the same as 5 exponent 3125. Okay, so it means that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So our t is indeed 3125. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye bye.